If you're a trader who keeps losing, I want you to pay attention to this video because your fair value gaps are never going to work without order flow. So I want to give you an example of some fair value gaps, right? So this fair value gap held, and we're going to go through the psychology of a trader in this region, right? How do you know price is going to go down in this region? How do you know price is going to go down? So the reason I know price is going to go down is because I am reading this platform. I am reading the order flow. So what's going on is I want traders to look at this candle over here and also this candle over here. First, we have a 0 and a 2. So if we go back to the candlestick chart, what's going on is this green candle is actually giving us that 0 and 2, and this black candle over here is giving us the same as what you see here. This is equivalent on the 5-minute time frame, right? So what we can see is we see 589 for 882. So there were roughly 900 buyers and there were only 589 sellers. So there were more aggressive buyers and sellers, but the market failed to move down. So what that's showing you is that this particular fair value gap that's above the daily opening price so far is holding. Now, with that being said, you can now take a position, a short position at the bottom of the fair value gap, and you can keep your stop loss just above this local wick, right? And your job now is to simply target the London low, which is somewhere down here, right? London low, you want to be selling above the daily opening price. Now, with that being said, let's see how price plays out. So we can see price hitting our overall target eventually, I believe, somewhere in the New York session. But when you're trading fair value gaps, right, the moral of the story is in order for you to catch high risk reward trades and high probability trades with a higher strike rate, you need to know what's going on inside of the fair value gaps, right? And the only way you can really do that successfully is by using an order flow footprint chart, right? So the order flow footprint charts essentially tell you what's going on, right? So we can see over here again a lot of aggressive buyers, and these aggressive buyers have not been rewarded, right? So here we saw a massive buyer which corresponded to this region over here. So when you see a lot of buyers inside of a fair value gap but the market is failing to move up, that's what shows you the fair value gap is valid. So next time you take a loss, take a step back and say, am I actually reading the market properly?